here is go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I will be giving you a full bedroom tour of my master bedroom. And I have shown bits and pieces of it, but I've never did a full tour. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I'll let you know where I got all the products. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start out with one of my favorite scriptures. Faith, hope, love, these things, but the greatest of them is love. 1 Corinthians 13:13. So we're gonna start our day off with that scripture that's right here on my bedroom wall. I kind of went crazy when I first got my Cricut, so I was putting scriptures and wording on the wall just to get some practice. So this is still up 2 years later, and it'll probably be here for a minute. So this scripture is always relevant in my life. It's not trending. This is always relevant. So we're going to go ahead and pan around to the right. And I want to show you these beautiful velvet curtains that I picked up from eFavorMart. And if you're not familiar with eFavorMart, it's a online store that sells many items. All kind of event planning items, home decor items, tech gear, anything you need for entertainment. And they have craft supplies. So I am a member of their affiliate program, and I picked out these beautiful gray velvet curtains, and it has the black outliner on the back. Let me just tell you, it works, because sometimes me and my husband don't even know if it's night or day, and it's good. So if you need something to keep the sunlight out your bedroom while you're sleeping, consider getting a pair of these velvet panels. I think they're 64 inches, 84 inches long. I'm sorry, 84 inches long. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it later in the video, but these are what we have. And I went ahead and left my existing curtain rod up. I did purchase a curtain rod from eFavorMart, but I didn't want to take this one down and patch the holes and hang another one, so I'll feature that curtain rod in another video. So those are the curtains. We're gonna pan around. I don't think I have a style. I'm not gonna say I have a style. I just like what I like. I will say I like clean lines. I like simple. You see my headboard is just a simple headboard bedroom set that I picked up from Ashley's. Just nothing fancy, but I like it. It's my style. I just like simple. So of course I like looking at the glam and farmhouse and all that stuff, but it's just not for me. So I like simple lines. I don't know if I have a style. Y'all let me know in the comment section, is that a style? Because you like clean lines. And plus I like leather furniture. I don't care for cloth furniture. Well, that's not a decor. That's not a decor decision. That's because I work in healthcare. I'm just gonna leave it at that. That's why I like that's why I migrate more to leather than fabric, because fabric holds germs, and I'm kind of germophobic, so y'all don't worry about that. I'm just doing a little rant, but that's why I like the leathers better. So these so as you can see, I did not get the nightstands for my bedroom. I don't like my things to be matchy. I originally had picked up some more nightstands from Walmart, but later sold them. And then one of my friends had this nightstand, which was originally a oak color, and the other one that's over there on my husband's side, it was an oak color, and that came from my daughter. And it was ironic that both of them were the exact same. And I did a makeover on these and changed out the hardware. I got that hardware from Hobby Lobby, and it's still kind of beat up, as you can see. So I'm thinking about, because this is some good wood, this is some good heavy wood, I'm thinking about adding, you see it's still kind of beat up on the top. I'm thinking about adding some decorative wood to the top to make it look better. Tell me in the comment section what you think. So that's that. Those are the nightstands, and I'll link a video in the description box showing you how I did it. I did that last year, I think. So we gonna skip the bathroom for now. Not ready to show you the bathroom. And then this is my other area right here as you leave the bathroom. Some black and white canvas portrait that I did. I'll link that video also. And then I just picked up one of these cube shelves from Target, 6 cube shelves, because I needed something slender to go right there in that area, just to house my jewelry and some of these items. And then over here is my dresser and a few items on my dresser. And normally for years I did not have a TV in my room because I was hooked on HGTV, and HGTV rule was you're not supposed to have a TV in the bedroom because the bedroom is for sleeping. I fell into that little myth for a while until I started getting older and started getting more relaxed. So as you can see, I do have a TV in the room. So this is it. This is my full bedroom tour. This is where the magic happens, not the magic you think. This is the magic that happens as far as coming in here to meditate, coming in here to pray, to get away from everything, coming in here to decompress, and just coming in here to relax. That's the magic that happens in this bedroom that I'm referring to, people. So let me know in the comment section what you think I should do about the top of those nightstands. Give me some ideas. I want to add some wood and then stain it, and then maybe stain the wood the same color as my headboard, or I could put some type of decorative paper on top. But I really want to keep these nightstands because number one, they were free. Number two, I put in all the hard work. Number three is some good wood, because you remember my channel is about saving money in all kind of ways. So, and this, oh, I forgot to show you my little bench. My little bench at the foot of my bed. I picked this up from Big Lots. And the comforter set came from Big Lots. Also, you remember this comforter set had 10 pieces. So this comforter is on this side right here, this gray, and then I can flip it over and it has some more spring. It's more, it matches the pillows more, has more of the little teal mint green in it. And then it also came with a spread, a teal color, about the color of those lamps spread. So it had those 10 pieces. So this is it. This is going to conclude this video. And before I go, Miss V is going to always help you save some money on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. So I hope you enjoyed my tour. Thank you, and have a nice day.